In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your DocuSign subscription step by step. Whether you're on a free trial, a personal plan, or a business plan, I'll walk you through where to click, what to look out for, and how to properly close your account so you don't get charged again. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple, straight-to-the-point software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple DocuSign profiles. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look toward the top navigation menu. You need to click on Admin. This section is where account-level settings are managed, including billing and subscription details. If you don't see the Admin option, it likely means you're not the account owner or you don't have admin permissions. In that case, you'll need to contact the account owner to proceed with cancellation. After clicking on Admin, you'll be taken to the Admin dashboard. From here, locate and click on Plan and Billing. This is the section that controls your subscription type, payment method, renewal details, and account status. Take a moment to review your current plan so you know whether you're on a monthly subscription, annual billing cycle, or free trial. Inside the Plan and Billing section, scroll until you find the option labeled Close Account. This is the option that allows you to cancel your DocuSign subscription completely. Go ahead and click on Close Account. DocuSign will usually redirect you to a confirmation page. On this page, you may see details about your current plan, any remaining subscription time, and information about what happens after your account is closed. Carefully review this information so you understand whether your cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your billing cycle. To continue, click on Close Account again on the confirmation page. DocuSign may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for cancellation. Select the appropriate reason if prompted and proceed with the final confirmation. Once completed, your subscription will be canceled and your account will either be downgraded or fully closed depending on your plan type. You should also receive a confirmation email from DocuSign verifying that your account has been closed or that your subscription will not renew. Now, here are a few important things to keep in mind. If you're on an annual plan, canceling may stop future renewals but won't necessarily trigger a refund for unused time. If you're on a free trial, make sure you cancel before the trial period ends to avoid being charged automatically. Also, download any important documents or completed envelopes before closing your account because access may be limited after cancellation. And that's it. That's exactly how to cancel your DocuSign subscription step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.